Everyone, my name is Debraj. I am a first year student of IIT Kharagpur. I create this video to show some of my disassembly project, and for this I show all of you this hair straightener. In hair straightener there are two parts. One is combo part which straight the hair, and middle part is hot and air which create heat energy to straight the hair of the user. And, in this device, when I switch on, it show off mode. Then I on the mode of temperature, and it is increasing temperature gradually, and it is goes at one of limit. Then I increase the temperature accordingly. To show this assembly, fast the process, I open some screw of the device. In the device there are two things. One is internal circuit and one is heater part. Internal circuit, there are display capacitors and IC resistors, and input the current in by which heating process is start. To start the process, first of all it on the device, and then on it, and then it IC process, it increase the temperature gradually, and it has a temperature part which show the current its flow, and accordingly it increasing display the temperature of the process. Display the process. There are display part, and IC PNP transistors parts, and push button for on the process and increase the temperature gradually for heating the increase the heating the device. It has three push button. One is for start the heating and off the heating button, and two button. One is increase the temperature of the device, and one is decrease the device. But it is increase of device, but increasing the device is going on gradually. It is not increasing suddenly, because increasing for increasing the device temperature, it takes some time. To show you the assembly of the device, I assemble the device for show the proper working of the device. proper working what I disassemble first of the device and then I assemble this. Yeah. Then I show you the proper working of the device. It I on the machine and it gradually increase the temperature of the device. Yeah. If I increase it more, I switch the button to increase the temperature and increase it gradually, and its middle part of the device is to increase the temperature, and it is straightener part which straighten hair part, and then I switch off the device.